Do you know how to use algebraic expressions to solve a word problem? Let's take a look at an example. The 9th grade is going on a field trip to the Science Museum. The entrance fee for each student is $12. Each student also needs to pay $6 for the bus. How much money will they need if 20 students go? How much money will they need if 18 students go? Can you write an algebraic expression to explain and describe this situation? Let's take a look at how to do that. First, let's think about what we know. The entrance fee is $12 per student. That's not going to change. Each student also needs to pay $6 for the bus. Now, before we start to think about 20 students or 18 students, let's write an expression to describe this situation. We can say that $12 times the number of students plus $6 times the number of students will give us Y, which is the total amount of money needed for the trip. This is our algebraic expression. Let's put that here. 12x plus 6x equals y. Now we want to know how much money the students will need if 20 students go. So let's substitute 20 in for x, because that's the number of students. 12 times 20 plus 6 times 20 equals y. 12 times 20 is $240, plus 6 times 20, which is $120, equals y. $360 equals y. We've used an algebraic expression to figure out that it will cost the students $360 total if 20 students go. Now let's think about 18 students. We can use the same algebraic expression because the entrance fee and the cost of the bus didn't change. The number of students did. So we have 12 times 18 plus 6 times 18 equals y. 12 times 18 is $216 plus 6 times 18, which is $108, equals y. When we add these two quantities together, you can see that it will cost the students $324 if 18 students go on the field trip. Now, you may be thinking about why this stays the same. It stays the same because the $12 and the $6 aren't the variables. The entrance fee and the bus fee is fixed. The number of students could change. That's why x is our variable. And when we substitute the number of students in, multiply and solve, we will figure out the amount of money that is needed for the trip.